As an Archify member, you also have the ability to create a company profile, which allows you to showcase your projects and design expertise to our community of industry professionals, homeowners, and potential clients. It's the quickest way to establish your digital presence to a captured audience. You can add a company profile from the My Account option in the user menu in the top right-hand corner. Once you are on your account page, click Add My Own Company. Add your company name, a designated email address for the profile, and the category which your company would fall under. For example, architect, interior designer, engineer, etc. Once you save your information, an email will be sent to your designated email address to confirm your account. Once you have done this, you can start setting up your company profile. The first step is to add basic company information, like address, phone, business category, and a short description about your business. You can then add a cover image and logo that will be displayed on your profile once published, as well as your website and any social media pages you have. The last step you need to take before your company profile will be published live on the Archify site is to add a minimum of one project. When on the Projects tab, click Upload New Project. On the left-hand side of the screen, there are some required fields to enter for your projects, like name, description, address, location, property type, design style, and area size. You also have the option of entering contact names of the companies you worked with and the current status of the project. We want to share best practice design with our community, so we ask that you select a minimum of 3 project brands used in the project. You can select these from the brands we have on Archify, or add your own brand options in. You can upload images from your computer to your project. You will be required to specify the room area and color from a pre-generated list of options. You can also add your own tags to the image. You can upload as many images as you like. By clicking on the settings icon on the top right-hand corner of an image, you have the option to set it as a cover photo or remove it.